Good morning, guys and girls. Are you excited to win a brand new Mavic Mini ordered from Amazon US once the channel closes in on 50,000 subscribers? I'm pretty excited to give it away at least. And I can see that we are getting close. We are less than 500 subscribers from being able to pull the winner of my I'm Turning 50 competition. If this is the first time that you hear about the competition, there's a link in the description below where you, by just using your email, can participate and get your fair chance of winning. When you have signed up for the competition, you would get an additional email with some options that will allow you to increase your chances of winning by completing several tasks like following me on Twitter, watching one of my videos and stuff like that. The way that works is very simple. When you complete these tasks, you get additional points that is being put into the pot and thereby increasing your chance of winning. So by putting in a little bit of work, you might increase your chances. If you already signed up and you subscribe to the channel, which is one of the conditions for you to actually win the drone, you also need to live in a location where Amazon.com ships. Otherwise, you can't win the prize, and I will pick the next one. Unfortunately, I don't know that in advance if you live in a location or not. If I pick you as a winner, you have to provide the address for me, and if that is not possible to enter into the system, you unfortunately haven't won, and I would have to pick the next one. If you have already participated and you think, what can I do? What can I do to make this happen sooner? I'm so excited to figure out if I won or not. You can simply share the link to the competition in your favorite social network and bring more people in. In that way, you can influence when this giveaway is going to end. I hope you liked this video, and excuse me for not looking at the camera this time because I need to watch out for the traffic. But still feel free to give the video a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.